Michelle, can you tell me if yourselves and Social Justice Ireland were happy with the budget announced a couple of weeks ago?
No, Darren, we weren't. It provided very cold comfort for the hundreds of thousands of people who've been frozen out of Ireland's economic recovery, particularly when you look at the measures in the budget for low-income households. The majority of those measures were once-off, whereas the taxation measures, which go to higher income households, were permanent. And even though there were some welcome things in the budget, in terms of the free school books to junior cert and extending the child benefit to children aged 18 still in secondary school, overall we were very disappointed, and we feel the government made the same mistakes as they did last year.
Okay, Michelle, an raibh siad the Social Justice Ireland sásta leis an muséad a fógraíoch cúpla seachtain ó shin?
Ní róid mar rin an réaltas na butún céine in san cánáisnéis fé sa chathair is an nearna siad san cánáisnéis fé sa trí, mar tá sé rólas a géin ní feib éon óra í gan do an income a bheith agat, so ní féidir an aib seo a réiteach le barta éon óra agus nuair atá ag garchar na polisithe sa cánáisnéis, an cuid is mód na bartaine sa cánáisnéis atá dírithe ar dílí agus Charlie ar each income is barta éon óra iad, so sin an rud céine a tharla san bhfuil sé fé sa trí, agus agus cumáile sin ní fiú é gá euro déag breis sa seachtain ar éiciachtaí leas a thosaílig, tá méadú €5 is a fithe ar a leid sa seachtain de dhé ar éiciachtaí leas a thosaílig, so bhí an díma ar an caithimé rá.